Not exactly sure what location this is, but it looks crazy. Are you American?
Yeah.
Welcome to Canada.
Because you'll see the mountains from Jasper to Hinton.
Bye. Nice meeting you, okay?
Handshake.
Yeah, for sure. I've never seen anything like this before. Lots of people around here. It's unbelievable. There is a castle on top of that. Top of the hill over there, there's like a glacier. We're here and it says don't walk over there. You wanna come down here? No.
Give my good side.
Okay. Now I truly believe Sun waterfall something have been burned. Really couldn't find any place to stay. Mountain goat? What is this?